Hello, Paul McHugh with Rayo Cook Heating and Air. We wanted to take a few minutes and go through air conditioning coil cleaning. With your air conditioning system, we simply move heat. When it's about 100 degrees outside, that outside heat wants to make it into your house. Your AC system simply absorbs that heat and moves it back outside, therefore maintaining a cool temperature inside. There are two air conditioning coils in any home's air conditioning system that makes this possible. An indoor coil, otherwise known as an evaporator coil, and an outdoor coil, otherwise known as a condenser coil. Let's talk about the indoor coil. This is where we absorb the heat that made it into your home from outside. Your indoor coil, or evaporator coil, is located at your indoor equipment. This coil can become dirty over time from the particles in the air coming from your home. Although your air filter can catch most of the dust, dirt, and particles in the air before it reaches your indoor coil, that's not always what happens over time, because every filter will allow some particles to pass through it. Should your indoor coil start to load with these particles, its ability to absorb the heat from your home is reduced. Your AC system will work longer and harder to keep you comfortable. This adds wear and tear and can cause a higher utility bill. If the indoor coil gets too dirty, it can actually cause serious failure of your cooling system. The cleaner your indoor coil is, the more heat you can absorb from your air conditioning unit, meaning your air conditioner is more efficient. What's more, any humidity that is removed from your indoor air happens at your indoor coil. This is called condensation or condensate water. Your car does this simply by dripping this water onto the road. That puddle under your car in the driveway when your AC is on, that's the humidity removed from the car. Your home's air conditioning system does the same thing, but a little differently. Condensate water in your home's AC runs off of your indoor coil and is collected in a drain pan at the bottom. This drain pan is connected to your condensate line, which carries that water to the outside. Should your indoor coil become dirty, condensate water will carry these particles down into your drain pan, where they will sink to the bottom. When too many of these particles accumulate, your condensate drain pipe may become blocked, causing the water to overflow. Depending on your application, your system may or may not have safety switches in place to shut off your system should a backup occur. If a backup does occur, it is possible to experience water damage on your ceiling or your floor, depending on where your indoor equipment is located. Keeping your indoor coil clean helps eliminate the chance of condensate water causing you a great deal of grief down the road. Finally, the air that we breathe in our home travels through your indoor coil. The cleaner your indoor coil is, the less chance of particles mixing with condensate water, which can cause forms of bacteria to grow. This can be a source of breathing issues in some homes. So why clean your indoor coil? Number one, you can get the most efficiency out of your cooling system with a clean indoor coil. Number two, costly breakdowns can be avoided when your system is running at its peak performance. Number three, you can avoid a major problem by preventing ceiling or floor damage should a dirty coil cause condensate water to back up and overflow into your home. And number four, finally, the quality of air you breathe in your home can be adversely affected by a dirty indoor evaporator coil. You need to know that access to your indoor coil can be difficult and some disassembly of your system may be required. Your Rayo Cook technician will use approved cleaning products that will not cause harm to your indoor coil. Using the wrong cleaning product can remove protective coatings that can be found on certain evaporator coils. Furthermore, all the products we use are approved for evaporator coil cleaning and are specifically designed to clean your soiled indoor coil with best results. And, as always, before and after pictures will be provided by your Rayo Cook technician.